Hello, everyone. Good morning. Penny Pops is short. All right, let's go. Kirk, hello. Green, I was just reading your chat there. Man, 3 funded accounts, but listen, I think it happened to most of us. If not every one of us, but most of us. We're going to talk about that, Green. Yeah, tilt. Yeah, exactly like Liquid Snake says. And Mollo, oh my god, I'm not even surprised on Mollo anymore. Mollo, you know, he just prints the paycheck and moves on with the day. That's how we should do, you know. That's how we should do. Congratulations, man. Oh my god. 400 times 2. That's a very good profit. Huge Sky, hey there, good morning. Green, we're gonna talk about it in a second. Yeah, ending up blowing the last one. Yeah, so that's typically a tilt session there for you. So and I think every one of us has their stories, you know, of what happened when or what happens when we are on tilt. By the way, I do have a position on, which is a short trade here. So, I mean, I completely know what happened. Trust me, I know what happened, and I know how it feels like. And what can I tell you? I blew up 6 or 7 accounts on tilt at the same time, technically. So trust me. I mean, not now, but you know, it happened, and it's part of the journey. You know, hard to say what is the best practice to do here. It's hard to say what's the best thing to do. I would say you have to work on yourself. I mean, I'm sure that you know how the market works, or what levels are you looking for. I'm sure that you have your own entry model. So I think, yeah, I know the technical side. It's all about psychology and maybe write down what happened. I'm writing it down. Here's my journal. I have a new journal now. I'm writing it down the old-fashioned way. I'm writing everything down into this journal here. Mostly about my feelings, emotions, what I did good, what I did bad, and you know. But try to take the positive note from this. Like, what did you learn? What is the thing that you are going to make differently next time? You're gonna make it back, don't worry. As long as you're not giving up, you are gonna make it back, Green. I'm positive about that. So Ollie, what's up? How's it going? Forgot to say morning to Jonathan, maybe? Anyway, morning to anyone or everyone. Yeah, absolutely, Green. So try to take the positive note from this. I know it's bad and it hurts, but you gotta learn from it. You gotta learn from it. What was the thing that triggered? What was the trading setup that actually went bad because something triggered you to be on full tilt? What really happened? Think about it. If you're not even writing it down, just really, you know, try to meditate on it and think about it. What did you do bad? And it's gonna be better. Jason, hey. My wife threw a swingers party, and she said, what? What? She said you were a no-show? I was a no-show? You guys not accepting me to the party? What? I mean, come on. Exactly, exactly. Something like that, like Kirk says. What was the thing that actually triggered that tilt? I mean, obviously the loss, suffering from the loss, but ask yourself, was the setup correct? What should have you done after the loss if it was correct? If it wasn't correct, why did you enter? So try to ask yourselves these questions, and you will find the cause of what you know really happened, and you have to learn from it. You have to learn. These scar tissues are gonna pile up, and you will learn. That's it. Loss triggered it. Yeah, revenge trader. Yeah, of course, like all of us. But you have to, go down deeper. Like, what was the trade good? Was the setup good? Was the risk to reward good? So all these detailed stuff. If yes, then what should have happened? If yes, and you lost it, then it's good because you followed your plan. If the setup was not good or the risk management was not good, then why did you enter the trade? Then you will know, like, okay, this was the error. What was the TP of the trade if the trade was valid? Anyway, some detailed things you have to overthink. Not overthink, but think about it. She flows funded. All right, Jason. Natasha, hey, good to see you, Natasha. How's it going? I got tilted and blew all my accounts and bought like 20 evals. Oh, well, I mean, it's not bad that you want to get back in, but buying instantly evaluation accounts might not be the best idea. I mean, maybe for the next day or something. Green was wrecked here. He lost 3 funded accounts because he got on tilt. And we were just trying to... I was just trying to explain what I'm looking for if I lose multiple funded accounts. What was the cause of the tilt? What was I'm looking for? What should have I done? What should not? I mean, if the trade was valid and the risk management was valid, then there's nothing to be ashamed of, especially if it was copy traded. But obviously, after that loss, that's the thing that you should have maybe stopped and wait for the next setup. Anyway, go with the flow. After trade goes against me, so I put rules place. Yeah, there you go. You can put some risk management rules for that. Yesterday that I'm making just as much money with my broker as I'm with Apex. And even more? Hey, Natasha, what are you doing? We really need to schedule that, that little session. I received your message, so I think we will schedule something. I'm really curious how you're doing those trades. I know nobody wants a red day. Actually, I know it sounds stupid. I know, but why don't you try? I mean, I can't take. No, I cannot say this, especially not as financial advice. But what if you have a losing trade on a funded account, because you're gonna have one in the future, and you're not trying to get it back for the day. Try to leave it in a red day. Try to leave the account in a red day and try to embrace the feeling like, okay, my account is like in a negative $200 or $300 or whatever just said. Try to embrace that feeling. Just an idea. I tried that actually. and it taught me some things, you know. It taught me when I left my account in a negative $500, and I was super eager to push the button. I was like, oh man, I have to push it. I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to bring back that negative $500 on my funded account. I'm going to bring it back. But I managed to leave it. And the next day, it was a much better feeling. I don't know how to describe it, but I was like, okay, fresh start, new setups, the market restarting again. So new opportunities. And I could feel in my mind that I was thinking much better. And I eventually brought it back, by the way. Anyway. Cause was 4% down. 4% down there. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, I know 4% is not good. But depending on the account size, you know, some other stuff. But yeah, it's not good. Yeah. Yeah, lots of red all around the place. No, the loss was not from following a system. Yeah. But if it, yeah, obviously, if these losses come in, then obviously it's because of, you know, doing something stupid, over trading or something. I do the same thing. So, Farhad, good morning. Isham, hello there. Yeah, me too. Me too. Ills, I have the same issue with the big down days. It's just very, very, very hard to deal with. You know, I definitely have a problem with that. Let's look for some levels, okay? Let's look for some levels of what's happening. Obviously, this was a big drop, and I think we can go higher, especially, you know, we have a gap on the daily. Previous day high, that is. I think that high is... Oh yeah, that's the candle high. Okay, so we have a new day opening gap up there, right? Okay, we have a low. I'm gonna put this here is from Friday, but it's quite significant, so I might just want to go. All right, new week opening gap, actually, is it? Yeah. New week opening gap. And I might gonna close my trade, by the way, because it seems like it just wants to go higher, which is awesome. But anyway, you might be asking what was the reason for this, and nothing special behind this trade. The only thing that was actually triggering me into getting into this trade is maybe a possible retest of the 410-ish level, sweep some more orders on the downside, and so I was just waiting for a sweep here on the upside, which technically there was not too much, and there was multiple there was multiple structure shifts. One there. There was one here. Come on. Okay, one there, and there was a fair value gap here. So I thought, you know, why not? Let's try to go with it. And that was the reason I entered. Yeah, Steve, sorry, not Steven. I'm in a short, but it's a low probability short. I'm only risking $100 on this. This is too crazy. Should I do these evals when I have 150-50? Yeah. Exactly. I know, right? And that's why, you know, you're doing something very good, Natasha. You're doing something extremely good. Oh, nice. Well, it seems like that you're doing better and better on your personal account then. Jerry Lewis, hello, good morning. Natasha, Naomi, hello, good morning, Naomi. 50% of PDR, maybe more. Yeah, that's a good one, Tim. That's a good one. Yeah, could be. Could be. Penny Pops is short as well. Ills is shorting gold. Anyway, let's just wait for it for now. Gamecraft, hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, congratulations! I saw your post on X. Congratulations on your Apex accounts. Very nice job. This morning I was just reading some posts and I saw Gamecraft made some excellent trades. Accounts are technically at payout level, as I remember. Nice job. Nice job. Nice job. All right. Yeah, I'm also having 2 more Apex accounts, and but those are technically brand new. And I got denied on 1 Apex account, but I will do my best to get to that payout. I know what happened, I think, but I was like sure. I mean, there was one trade that got to $750 in drawdown, almost 750, but there was something else. I had the trade before, so this is something I don't even know yet. I have to study the website. I had the loss of $200 or $250 on my funded account. I was still not at the 2600 payout threshold, so I was down negative 250, and then the next trade got down to a little bit more than $700 in drawdown, which is technically still below 30% of the $2,500 safety net. But someone told me the problem is that I was down $250, so my safety net was actually $2,250, and the 30% rule applies to the leftover of the safety threshold. Now I'm not sure about that, so I might have to ask support about this, because there was one trade like that. Anyway, Yonix, good morning. I just continue to trade. So where is the account? This is, no, not this one. This is the new one. So this is the account. I requested the payout at 2600 just to get 500 out. and I'm just building up. I just continue to trade for 8 more days, and you need to put in $50. I mean, 5 days above $50 with proper risk management, obviously, and then you can apply for the next payout. So I'm just continuing to trade. The Apex account, I mean, sorry, the Bulenox accounts are good. This one should be paid tomorrow, $1,500 from Bulenox from this account. And the other Bulenox accounts are looking, this one is above payout level. Oh, well, it's not a payout. I still have to make about $800-ish on this one, technically. And the other Bulenox account is almost at $2,000, so those are good. My plan for the next few days is to find out how I can get the highest profit in the same amount of time with the same. That is actually a good reassessment and a good question. I took a loss of 720. No, sorry, Gamecraft. It wasn't a loss. It was in drawdown. My stop loss was at $750, but I got lucky. I was super lucky because my drawdown was down to 700, a little bit more than $700, almost hit my stop loss, and then it reversed and it got to profit. So I closed it out in profit. I was lucky actually. But nevertheless, I had this trade, and I got denied for the reason about the 30% rule. And hello teacher FX, what's up? And so someone told me the 30% rule is changing during the day. For example, $2,500 is your safety net. If you have a $500 losing trade, for example, then the next trade should not get below 30% of the leftover of the safety net, which is $2,000. That means 2,000. That means 30% is $600, right? So the next trade should not get below negative $600 because that's a 30% rule violation. And I think that's what happened to me. I think that was the issue. Yeah, Mitch, honestly, I just gave up figuring out the Asia session opens. I'm just looking for swing highs and swing lows. Makes it much easier because you're gonna get the analysis paralysis. Trust me on that. So Asia low, let's look at this. I would say this because this was just going lower. This is at 852. This is definitely the Asia low, 19,140. Okay, the Asia high, well, looks like this one was the Asia high. We spiked higher. I don't know. So I'm just looking significant swing highs and swing lows in the area of 6 to 8 p.m. in the previous day, and I'm just going with that. I don't know the daylight saving time shift in the Asia market, or in those countries like in China, Japan, whatever markets are there. I don't know when they are shifting, or they shifted already, or they gonna shift at all. I'm not sure. Yeah, so I'm just saying, look for a significant high, swing low between 6 p.m. So after the reset, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and you're gonna find your level there somewhere. So I got some comments a few times in the stream like, that's not the Asia low, or that's not the Asia high. Yeah, maybe for me it's okay because it's a significant level, and this trade is not looking okay for now. Anyway, what a shame. Well, I tried. Seems like it might want to go up to well, up to 555. We have a swing high there. Now I have a feeling that it just wants to go up to the 500s. Okay, let's look at some levels here on the 1 hour. Where can we go? 702. There's a hourly fair value gap. There's buy side liquidity. We have a swing high, PM session high at 551 on the micro. And yeah, so far that's it. Tudor, good morning. Hello. Good morning. Let's see. If Bulenox or Take Profit Trader have minimum time in trade like MyFundedFutures, Bulenox has the minimum trading days of 10 days. They pay out every week, but with the 10-day minimum cycle, that gives you bi-weekly payouts technically. Well, almost. Like maybe not bi-weekly payouts, but you have technically the chance to get 2 payouts in 1 month from the same account. But yeah, so 10 minimum, and Take Profit Trader no minimum trading days, technically 1. So if you make profits on 1 day, you can I mean, you have to wait for the day to end. Oh, like, oh, MyFundedFutures. Well, that 15-second rule is like, I don't know. They are not really forcing it that hard. Just saying, JP. They're not really forcing it that hard. Last time I checked a few weeks ago with the admins, and I sent an email to them as well. And they had a Discord stream about that last year. So they are looking for people who are specifically abusing with microscalping the simulated funded accounts. Now, if you have a few trades here and there with a few seconds, that's all right. They're not specifically saying that, okay, your trade was 9 seconds, so that's invalid. Obviously, it's not about that. Because if they see that your equity curve is managed as like a human being and not with algorithmic trading and just micro scalping all the time, then you're good. But what they said on the Discord stream, even if you go only for a few seconds of scalping, if you can open your trades, your trade for like at least 6 to 8 seconds without not full porting, like with 5 minis or whatever. So if you're just going with a few micros maybe, and you decide to close a few trades after like 6 or 8 seconds, that's all right, no problem. I honestly didn't really find anyone on the Discord, and I was checking it constantly, who was complaining that he or she got denied because of this situation. So they are not really forcing it that much. They are specifically looking for individuals or services who are, they can see your equity curve and they see, all right, this is algorithmic trading. This is just you know, micro scalping, abusing the system, and that's a red flag for them. So that's it. They just want to get rid of those quote unquote traders. Bob, hey Bob, good morning. No problem, JP. You're welcome. Dilzik, hello. Yeah, interesting. I'm already reading some theories and analysis, like why is Nasdaq crashing so hard. Some of them are saying it's because it's a coordinated attack against Elon Musk and Tesla. Some of them are saying that Donald Trump and their people are doing it intentionally to refinance the market, you know, and it's a good area to buy. So a lot of explanations, but you know. Yeah, there you go, Tim. So yeah, I think it's all right. And again, my funded future is not really that hard-headed on this. They are hunting specifically for those algorithmic traders. Tesla are just overpriced with no physical backing. Okay, so that's why I was just catching a few phrases from articles. That's it. Even 335. Oh well, I can see that happening. Alex, hey, good morning. Good to see you, man. What up? What is going on? Yeah, I mean, there was a massive drop, right? So that was interesting. That was really interesting. Yeah, so I was reading something about the Nvidia as well. Like, what is happening there? I don't know. Retail traders, they still institutions buy. Yeah, and also what's going on with crypto? I wasn't sure about it when I saw it. I mean, Bitcoin was moving quite a bit to the downside. All right, let's go. Bowser, welcome. So yeah, I was reading something about the 5000 series that actually the 4090 cards and the 4080 cards are not so much behind, only a slightly bit difference between the 5000 and the 4080 4090 cards. Actually, I want to upgrade my computer, and I think, I mean, some people are telling me I shouldn't invest that kind of money into a 5000 series. I'm perfectly good with the 4000 series graphic card because I want to upgrade my computer soon. And they say it's just unnecessary to pour that kind of money into especially for my needs, you know. There is no supply as well. Oh. Okay. Are we going down to 412 or what's the plan here? And on the other hand, they nailed it with the recently the 9070 XT. Oh, 335. Let's see. If you want to upgrade now, you can do, but switch to AMD. Yes, someone told me as well that I might get a good price and a good performance with the AMD graphic card, also with the AMD CPU. Someone told me. I have really no freaking idea about these new computer stuff. I'm always asking around. I'm also getting paralysis from these informations, but they told me I can go with a cheaper price and a good performance if I choose AMD. I don't know. I have no idea. 1080 for several years and upgraded 3080, and I regret it mostly because of the thermals. Yeah, temperature. Yeah, I had a 1080, a GTX 1080 myself. It actually failed it because it was a mini, and the minis were having issues. It was a GTX 1080 mini, and I purchased a 2070. So now I have a 2070, which is perfectly fine. Everything is working with it, by the way. Every game is running okay for my standards, and right, like, what can I say? It's okay. Look at that, we're going lower. You're trying to upgrade? Yeah, I'm trying to upgrade about the same, like in the past 6 to 8 months. So last year in November, I was told, or September, November, I don't know, October, I was told, wait for the 5000 series. Everybody was waiting, saying wait for the 5000 because the prices are going to change. So I was waiting, and then some CPUs came to the market, and I've been told, okay, go with AMD CPU and GPU or whatever, and now I just totally got confused because I'm reading these stuff. I don't know what to take. Anyway, obviously I want to build a computer that I don't have to be worried about for the next 2 or 3 years. That's it. That's my goal. I need a computer that I can play video games super smoothly. I can edit some videos, you know, and I don't have to be don't have to upgrade anything in the next 2 or 3 years. That's what I'm looking for, basically. That's it. Jason, here's the time frame. 1 minute. You can always check which time frame I'm on in the down right corner here. It says, well, if I switch, it's gonna change as well. Now I'm on the 5 minute here. This little indicator here on the right is specifically for the viewers, so you guys can always see which time frame I'm on. So this is 1 minute now. This is the 1 minute. Paul, good evening. Good evening. Did I say good evening? Anyway, I'm all over the place. How you doing, Paul? Regarding CPUs, there is nothing at the moment besides AMD. Yeah. NQ broke daily trend line. All right. Yeah, everybody's saying that I don't even I shouldn't even buy the 5000 series because I can get basically almost the same performance with the 4000 series. That's what they are telling me. Like we are reading some tests here in my country as well. They are testing it with all kinds of stuff, and they say that there's only just a few percent different, even less, between, for example, the 5070 and the 4080. Obviously, they are a little bit closer to each other, but the difference is so tiny, and the price is like absolutely in a different level. So I think it would be cheaper to go with and better to go with the 4000 series. Thank you, Tudor. I mean, thank you so much, Tudor. I think I'll be fine. By the way, I have some some friends here who are pretty much helping me out with it, and I will decide soon. What indicator? I don't even know what's the name of this. It's called, I don't even know. Top center. What is that? TOO? No. I don't know what's the name of this what's the name of this indicator? 2 degrees. I don't know what's the name of this. Guys, I have no idea what's the name of this. It's from 2 degrees, it seems like. We put this on like last year sometime in September on the, somebody recommended me on the stream that I should put this on so you guys can follow. I don't know what the name of this. It says TOO 2 degrees. Anyway, it might be from 2 degrees. I don't know. I don't know the name. So we just left it there, and it's doing a good job there. Maybe I should know what it is. Maybe it's in my favorite indicators. Favorites, breaker. Oh my god, I have all these indicators. Tick chart, watermark. Yeah, maybe this is it. Watermark. Watermark, sorry. This is it. Watermark. There you go. Watermark. From 2 degrees. Nice. Problem regarding 4,000 series, they stopped production. I can still get some new. They said if I'm acting fast, I can still get some of them new with some stores. I heard about that they stopped the production, but there's still some of them on the shelves if I act fast. There you go. There you go, Bad Mouse. Thank you. Yeah. It will be relevant for 5 years. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Something that I don't have to upgrade for at least 2 to 3 years minimum. I would like to tell you that I appreciate every stream. Oh, thank you, Bob. Bob, thank you so much for the kind words. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. What can I say? I would say like like as the actor Anthony Mackie said in Avengers Endgame when Steve Rogers gave him the shield, and I would just say thank you. Shorts getting paid. Oh, definitely. The question is this the sweep that we are looking for, or is it gonna go lower? There's a flat candle, right? Oh yeah, there's a flat candle. Haha. You know, guys, we love flat candles. Oh, and you know what is down there? Totally forgot. Bullish order block or demand zone right here. Totally forgot about this. Everybody, buckle up. There you go. 391.50 down there. This area. Flat candle and bullish order block. Boom. Power of 3. Let's go. I still think it has some potential to go lower. How about that? How far is that? It's like 20 points. I think it can go 20 points down. I think it can go. We shall see. Gotta be careful here. I'm not entering into a position. There's one more thing I don't really like. There is some liquidity void up there, but since we're so close, and look at the 1 minute, wow. 392. I can imagine this one going down. Oops. This one going down lower. Not too perfect, very shorter block on the 1 minute here. Might want to pick up some liquidity. Now look at that. It looks like technically a structure shift. Maybe I should take it. Maybe. The reason I'm not taking it is because of that flat candle. $400, the whole number. Yeah, could go down there. I think it can even go lower to the 391 or 92. $391, $392 should be going. If I want to be real aggressive, I can take a long position from this, but I'm not gonna. I am not gonna take a position on that. No way. Actually, I think it's still bearish. Yeah, macro is coming, and we are gonna have the London Open as well, and pre-market open, everything. Martin, good morning. Zusi, I'm not following him, but I saw some of his posts. Yeah, here and there his posts pop up. All right. I took a short trade on this bearish reversal, targeting 392.50. Here it is. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. So it came out that he stole an indicator from John. Wow. Zeusy stole the indicator. Which indicator is that? So another drama is happening. Oh, really? Wow. That could be a good indicator. Which indicator is that? Oh, really? Wow. So the drama is happening. The drama. Or all marketers. Oh. All Furus. He copied the source. I don't even know. So they were selling an indicator, or he was claiming to be a good trader, and it was all based on an indicator, I guess. I wasn't really following that drama with him. Oh, I see. Okay, so they're selling it. Okay, so they're marketers. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, stole the source code. Interesting. Yeah, I saw that he has a lot of followers. Lots of followers. Oh no. Well, I think I made the bad decision. Interesting. Yeah. Oh. He's a influencer on Twitter. La Rebecca, good to see you. Hey, Marshall MMA, what's going on? There's a small gap at 468. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of as well. I thought that, this could be a nice reversal here. This bearish reversal. Well, it's obviously, I should have taken the. I was sure that there's still some liquidity to be taken on the downside, so that's why I just thought I'm gonna try to see if it waterfalls down there, but it's not happening. And this was actually a classic entry to go long. Yeah. But what can we do, right? What can we do? Seems like it might want to reprice all the way, maybe all the way up to can it go all the way up to the 477 maybe? Yeah, it was too early, Bob. Yeah. A ghost trade. How is that? Oh my god. You got smoked? Yeah, me too. Me too. This was not a nice trade. This was not a nice trade to be in the first place. I don't know if it wants to push it for that swing high or not. I guess it can. But obviously it's like a little bit high risk here. How far can it go? That's the question. Oh, wait for the next one. That's what we can do. Wait for the next trade. Yeah, it's pushing it. Okay, so I missed this. This could have been the good opportunity, and I didn't take it. Oh, such a stupid move from my end. I mean, yeah, here it is. It's actually a good target to go all the way up there to the 90s again. And the gap, yeah, right here. Here was the gap. And there's one more on the upside. Anyway, here comes the New York Open. New York, come on, man. London Open. The London Open real soon. And we'll see if it pops those highs. And maybe we'll see a reversal. I don't know. 40 away from passing. Oh, yeah. Seen myself down to what? Rebecca, you might write them a support ticket. I'm not saying they're gonna correct it immediately, but I heard that at some cases they might have figured out a way to maybe delete the recent trade or something. You know, it couldn't hurt to send them a support ticket. Pare, good morning. At 450, yeah, it could. It could. Yeah, yeah, Mr. Tabelka. Let's see. Anyway, London Open is very, very, very close here. It's very close. Here we go. London Open is here. Oh, let's go back to micro here. Are we going to see a reversal? Feels like it might still want to push it. Okay. Going back. Going back. Yeah, I feel the FOMO, right? Down here. Oh, man. Yeah. Entry there. Oh, man. Anyway. I tried. 651. Let's see that. I can, you know, if it wants to go, oh yeah, why not? Up to the 650s. That's a good area. That could be a low-hanging fruit because we have a buy side with the fair value gap at 702 on the micro. So why not go for the 650s? Has to get through the 550s first. There's a swing high at 551. But for now, until we're still in this range, I just don't see it. I just don't see the point of jumping in along. It swept some liquidity here. If it would show a displacement, I would target the 391 on the downside, like this one. Look at this. If this candle would close below that swing, I like that. You know, close below 469. Oh, it's not doing it. Okay. Yeah, Laura Becca, so what I would do is, it can hurt. Just write them a support ticket, you know. Maybe they can delete that trade somehow. The only thing I know is that who has access to Rhythmic servers, let it be a demo server, they can specifically delete some trades. You know, they can do that. They have the technical ability to do so as an admin. So maybe they can do that for you. I don't know. I mean, yeah, worst case scenario, they will not do it, but maybe they will. Okay. Still bullish. I have a feeling that it wants to sweep that 519. You know, better to wait. Better to wait here. Unfortunately, I missed my entry here. NQS 7 contract sitting at 5. Oh yeah, I can imagine that too. 70. It wants to go there. It wants to pick up some new orders. Yeah, look at that. It wants it. It wants it. Well, I'm just waiting for my entry model. It's sitting on my hands. Yeah, let's wait. I'm not entering this, especially not gonna scalp it because, I mean, yeah, most likely I can see that it's gonna pop through that 519, but it's London, and it can just waterfall down. But yeah, I still like that level here. I mean that one right there, I do like it. On the 5 and the 15 minute. Beautiful order block down there and demand zone. All right, looks like it wants to go for it. Equal highs 552. Yeah, that's good. That's also a very good target. That's why I put the buy side liquidity there. It's also a is that a gap or something? What is there? Yeah, no, that's a swing high, but actually relative equal highs. Yes. Yeah. All right. Sorry, a little bit sleepy here. Yeah, it wants to go. It wants to go. I had a late night, yeah. I was watching television. Imagine that. I was watching what was I watching? Prime, Amazon Prime. I was a little bit nostalgic and I like Star Trek, and I like sci-fi movies and series. So I was watching Picard, which I know it's basically it's that show, that TV show is way behind of its age and everything. So it's a lost generation. but you know, I was watching Picard, and I could sleep. There's been a set time limit on activation. Well, yes and no. Actually, no, because the link is staying up there for a few days. But if you don't pay it, it's gonna change into pending. So it's gonna say pending. And last time I did the same thing. I didn't activate the account because I totally forgot about it. And after like 3 weeks, I sent a message to support that, hey, please, can you put on the activation link again? And they put it on, and I paid the activation fee. So it was just hanging in there for a month. So no, I wasn't paying any subscription or anything. Look at that, going higher. Let's go. Not Do Not TV. Not that. The TV shows are very bad. Nothing is going on basically in the television. I mean, you know, the usual shows like dancing shows and quiz shows, but the television series, if you're asking about the television series, there are some good ones, but only a few, like 1 or 2, but not too much. Yeah, swept the level. Yeah, I was watching 2.5 Men. I was watching How I Met Your Mother. I really liked the show How I Met Your Mother. I was also watching Friends when I was younger. Friends, How I Met Your Mother. 2.5 Men was good. Yeah. Oh yeah. My favorite character from How I Met Your Mother is Barney Stinson. Barney Stinson. Obviously. You can guess that from Friends, my favorite character is Joey. Oh, Dark is good. Yeah, I watched that. MASH. Roseanne. Cheers. Alright. Home Improvement. Black Adder. I'm not familiar with that. Suits? No, I heard about that. I wasn't watching that. One of my favorite. I like all kinds of TV shows. I really do like. I mostly like the TV shows which has to do something about, you know, some detective, crime detective stuff, you know, or secret agents, you know. I like that. I like the Jack Ryan series, by the way. But one of my favorite is the first season and the second season as well, but not the after ones. First season of True Detective with Matthew McConaughey. Oh wow. I say wow, that's a masterpiece. That's a masterpiece on its own. And yeah. I think actually Matthew McConaughey did his best ever acting in True Detective ever. I think that was his best ever acting. He's a great actor, obviously, in every movie, but I think the best of the best acting from him was in True Detective. Monk, yeah. Suits are on Netflix, very good. Oh. Black Decker, Faulty Towers. Oh, I don't know those. Oh, and speaking of British television shows, I'm watching that series on Apple TV. It's Slow Horses, you know, with Gary Oldman. I watched all 4 seasons. I really love it. I think it's a great series. Yeah. We're entering there. So we took out 551, and I have a little bit of a FOMO because of not entering into a long, but obviously now, you know, if you look to the left, there's not much here. Not much here that I want to go to. I mean, yes, next level 702. We might go there. Who knows? This one just created on the 15-minute. Look at this. It doesn't get any better than this, by the way. Just saying. This candle. It's textbook. It's a textbook. Oh, sorry. It's a textbook bullish order block / demand zone. Look at this. I mean, it picked up liquidity. Look at how beautifully it picked up. I mean, this is art, actually. This is when the market is making some art. Come on. So, look at that. Picked up liquidity from the gap. Bullish push, market structure shift on the upside. It's really just perfect. This whole thing here is just beautiful. And I'm not gonna take a long here. If anything, I might gonna take a possible, not now obviously. Let's see, the open is 65. What's the open? 65.25. 65.25. That's where I would like to see this go down to after a shift, which can happen. Look at that. I am definitely looking for a short. Money making mural. If you're consistent, you should test 500 before testing the highs again. Yes, I agree. Or even lower. Why we are shorting? Why we are shorting? Because we picked up liquidity from this 4-hour gap, or we picked up liquidity from the swing high, and we still have some levels on the downside. If this one is turning into a bearish market, we can just continue to fall down to 19,066 ish, and we have some beautiful order blocks on the downside, or I should just call them demand zones on the 15-minute and the 5-minute. Now this is not something I'm really happy about here. Low of this 27.50, 27. Okay, it made the lower low. I need to see this breaking structure clean if I want to take a short. SpongeBob, yes, yes, you got me there, Ollie. Obviously, I watch SpongeBob. Yes, exactly, exactly, and that is absolutely you, Ollie. You should buy a lottery ticket or something, because that is absolutely true. And not just that, I like Family Guy. I like SpongeBob. What else? I like Rick and Morty. So yeah. SpongeBob is definitely cool. Enter the short too early. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a shift. So South Park too. I'm not too much updated with the newest episodes of South Park. I'm actually way behind a few seasons, I guess. But I think Simpsons Simpsons is good too. Didn't really watch too much from Simpsons. But yeah, Stewie, absolutely. My favorite is Quagmire. Giggity giggity. 50s giggity. I mean, Quagmire is really one of a kind. Futurama, no. Best DJ in town, not really. I mean, I haven't watched it, to be honest. High speed internet. I mean that the one you're talking about, the one when he gets stuck in the house for days or weeks and he comes out with the big arm. Of course. Yeah. Oh yeah, I love that episode. I just love that. That episode is just epic. That is just epic, you know. I mean, I mean that is such a good episode. I need to watch this. Now you reminded me of that. You know, we just need to watch it. There's no other way around this, everybody. So here we go.
Have to provoke me. Why did you? Quagmire? Hey, nobody's seen you in days.
Hey, Peter. I've just been, checking out some of that internet porn.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just gonna go and check my mail over there.
You been lifting weights?
No. No, I don't think it. No. I'm sorry, Peter. I gotta get back.
I mean, don't tell me it's not funny. Peter, I gotta go. I gotta get back, you know. Have you been lifting weights, you know? What? No. Oh my god. It's too funny. I'm dead, yeah. Left-handed. Yeah. Oh my god. We're losing people here. Okay, sorry, back to trading. Back to trading. Let's keep it serious. NQ. Come on. Let's go. That was, oh no, that was absolutely, that's why I had to watch it, because I remember that was such a funny scene there. I'm still almost crying from laughter. I'm missing a lot. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. If you love all the others you mentioned, okay, I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna write it down. Futurama. Let me write it down. I have to write it on a piece of paper here. I keep my notes on. All right. Oops. I'm gonna check it out later. It looks like a bullish flag now. Your wife died laughing. Oh yeah, it was a very funny one. New highs. Yeah. It looks like it for now. We might just gonna go for, what's that level? 582. It's quite possible, I guess. Head and shoulders. Maybe. Whoa! Fairy Princess 1234. Just subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. All right. You lost 1K? You got it back on the long. Ollie, that's not even a question. Ollie, that's not a question. That's that's mandatory. You should just stay on the sidelines or trade on a cheap evaluation account. If I really want to continue to trade at times like this, in a situation like this, I just choose a cheap evaluation account that I try to blow up some steam there, but don't touch that account. Yeah, take a break. Exactly. Going higher still. I don't want to enter too long here. It's just not, it's not good for me right now to enter long. I have my levels down there. I'm gonna wait. If it's just gonna go keep on going higher, so be it. I don't care. Today or tomorrow is CPI? Tomorrow, right? Yeah, today is Jolt's job openings. Okay. At 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m., right? Yeah. I don't know. We're just waiting, and it's going higher. We should get a push into 70s or 80s. Yeah, maybe. It seems like that's the case right now. All right, I'm gonna delete this. This has been taken. I'm gonna leave that for now. But this was a beautiful move from the down. Why didn't I see that? Could have taken long on that one. Also, one of the goals for me is to reduce down the number of trades on the funded accounts as much as possible, which means I want to go down to for like 1 or 2 trades maximum per session, and then eventually 1 or 2 trades per day, you know, on a funded account. That should be the goal. I got it on MyFunded Futures, but only on micro. I haven't traded London in a while. Oh, nice. Hey, 1 micro, that's still money. You know, it's still profit. especially on a funded account, or even if it's just an eval, that's still profit, you know. Green is green. Green is green. All right, let's zoom this in a little bit. Is that a 15-minute? Push order block. And on the downside, that's a 5-minute. Okay. Five-minute bullish order block slash demand zone. All right. Let's wait and see. And that was a 5/15-minute gap. All right. Just waiting. That's what it's all about. Patiently waiting for the move. If it's gonna happen. If not, no problem. Okay, we might be seeing a shift. Okay. Let's zoom this out a little bit. Can this work out like this? I'm not so sure. Okay, I tried something here. It might not be the best idea, but we'll see. No, I'm not gonna try anything there. Is it gonna go higher? I'm just wondering. Is there a gap on the mini? Maybe. Not sure. I think it just wants to push it one more time. Maybe not. I thought that there could be a shift, but there wasn't eventually. So the question remains, is your hardness? Yeah. I'm looking at this for a possible entry. There was a small gap on the mini. I don't think that was the case to go lower, but strange, that's for sure. Could this be one more push to the upside? Yeah, 10 a.m. news, yeah. Yeah, it looks like could be a possible reversal, but I still can't decide. Or is it just gonna be one more divergence push? Is it really going for it or not? Not sure. Anyway, let's wait and see. I mean, so far, it looks like it could be ready for a shift to the downside. And that's what I'm trying to figure out. There's a small gap on both mini and micro down there. Not sure if it wants to go down that way. But anyway, I'm not watching it for a scalp. 450, yeah, could be. You're short from 553? Yeah, I could go for it. Let's wait and see for what it does. There's a small gap at 34. And there's another one lower. Now it just tapped into that gap on the mini. And to me, it seems like it might want to go lower, down to 25 maybe. At this level, you never know. Anyway. I wonder if it wants to take out that low or not. Because now it actually rebalanced that small gap. It can finally go higher if it wants to. 2 a.m. accumulation, yeah, 3 a.m. Exactly. Play it out again. 19 points. Let's see. It's going to 0. All right. Yeah, let's see what it does. I don't know. There could be a possible displacement. I mean, this is a displacement, but I'm just curious if it wants to go. I think it wants to go higher. Maybe to reprice that small gap. It could be a possible short, but still hesitating here. Let me show you what I was thinking. So on the mini, and that's why I was watching, on the mini there was a small liquidity void here. And I thought that, you know, this could be an early entry, an aggressive short. And it went higher. But I think could go higher to reprice. Let me just check something here real quick. It wants to go. There could be an opportunity here to go short. But actually, I might be placing a sell limit order at... No, actually not. I'm placing a sell limit at 542. Yeah, 542. And it didn't got triggered. Not yet, at least. Okay, now it got triggered. Nice. And so, take profit would be, well, I'm just gonna go with down there. But so a very small position. little bit aggressive, I guess. I can say that. A little bit aggressive. But aggressive short entry. Let's see. If it goes the other way, I'm still fine with it. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat because I was focusing on this shift. Yet I know the macro is gonna come in, but maybe I should have waited. I'm looking at ES, not that much as I should maybe, but you know. Yeah, 2022 model here. There was a 2022 model down here as well, here. In this place. Here was the possible entry. Played out nicely. The good thing in the 2022 model is that it really appears every day. It repeats. And not just every day, almost every hour. You know, if there's enough volume or liquidity being taken, it repeats a lot of times. The one thing you have to be aware of is when, because basically when is the shift is going to be, because basically this is the shift in the structure, right? Yeah, there is still some liquidity. Yeah. Yo, hello teacher FX is here. Let's go. Good to see you, man. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just still gonna wait. The thing is, I do like the targets on the downside here, and maybe it would be awesome to leave a runner for the order block down there, but I mean, I was looking for an aggressive entry. That's why I was watching the chart so much. I was watching the mini, and based on the mini, I was thinking to maybe enter on the micro, but then I decided to wait for a proper displacement, because actually the more aggressive entry was up there, right up there. JH, hello. You shorted gold? And I wasn't even paying attention on gold this morning. Oh yeah. Seems like gold, by the way, is still edging higher, so be careful with the shorts. There's a high resistance liquidity area here, but target could be 2917.4, but if it drops, that's also good because we have some good targets on the downside. But you know, I wish you luck with it. Okay, this one is not going good now. Oh man. Okay. Okay. I tried. But hey, it was valid. I mean, even if I just enter like here, 16, 30, yeah. It was technically valid on my end. So if it doesn't really want to go down, it's fine. The macro is starting in 10 seconds. So let's see. It looks like a bullish flag. That's the problem. The 5-minute looks like a bullish flag. I don't like it. All right, Ollie. I'm stopping with that. I'm just sticking to simple rules. That's what I should do, right? Just stick to simple rules. Sweep liquidity, enter, and that's it. Sweep liquidity, market structure shift, displacement, and boom. That's what we should do. That's the goal. How does it work Eval to live with MyFundedFutures? Yonix, it's when you pass the evaluation account, they are going to send an email to you automatically on the next business day, usually in business hours, New York Open. And that's it. On a 50K account, obviously, you have to make $3,000 in profit, and then you're funded. That's it. We Gucci. Hello, taken. I taken this place in macro. Just to remember, take and go. Yeah. 500 equal high swept right daily. Okay, then let's see. Yeah, same. So it's quite simple. With MyFundedFutures, they're just sending you an email automatically. You can log in with the same credentials. The account should be appearing. Obviously, I think if you haven't done the KYC beforehand, then you might have to upload your ID or passport, utility bill or something, just to get done with the KYC, and that's it. No minimum trading days for evals. No minimum trading days. What does it mean, target 1 and target 2? I mean, if you are on a milestone account, which I don't think, because they stopped the milestone account, or are you on their new account? I'm the best prop representative. Yeah, Paul, you always suck at. Good night, Paul. Thanks for joining. Target 1, target 2. I mean, the first target would be obviously the 3,000. And the second target would be obviously, depending on which type of account you're doing. Are you on a starter, expert account, or the new Eval to live account? Depending. Let me check. Eval to live. Phase 1, no. Yeah, phase 1 target, phase 2 target, yeah. Yeah, so there's the 2-step and the 1-step eval to live. With the 1-step, you only have to make $3,000 and you're going to go to a live account. With the 2-step, you have to make 2 times $3,000. Yeah. Yeah, they have 2 targets. The new Eval to live account has 2 targets. If you're going with the cheaper one, you have to get to $3,000 2 times, and then you go to a live account. Then they put you onto a live account. It's basically the fastest way to get to a live account with the proper, with leverage and everything. Yeah, the starter and the starter plus are actually, I think they're very good. Oh man, this is not looking good. It seems like it might want to go higher. It is what it is. I might gonna have to to rethink the situation here. Okay. I think it wants to go higher. Yeah, I'm closing the trade. Closed it. Out from the position for now. I have a feeling that it wants to keep on going higher, but by the way, the thing that I closed the trade is actually not a good. I mean, I messed up my thought process right now in the hope of cutting some losses, and it can still drop, you know. Tradeify is a good prop firm. No problem. The only thing I love to for them to have is rhythmic connection or something I can connect with the Quant Tower. Otherwise, I have no problem with them. They are fairly new, but they are paying out people. That's all we know. Legends Trading, no. Never heard about it. Legends Trading. I think it wants to break the highs. What do you guys think? I'm curious if it wants to go. What's this level? 62.50. Is it really going there? High is 62.50. Wow. Almost got there, right? Anyway, we have 2 more minutes until the new hour. So that will be fun. Maria, good morning. Good to see you. No problem. That's your stop? I don't know what's the idea of this market right now. Yeah, London session is now acting up a little bit tricky. The new hourly candle is almost here. 1 more minute. I think I made the right decision to close down that trade. But still, I like the entry. I think the entry was okay, but it just wants to go higher. It just wants to go higher. Yeah, there you go. Made a new high with the new hourly candle, and I'm still sitting on my hands and just gonna wait for a possible reversal, maybe. I'm using Quantower. Quantower. The main reason I'm using Quantower is because it's super simple to connect to multiple prop firms, and it has a built-in copy trader, so everything is very, very simple. And I like the charting as well. If any one of you guys want to use Quantower, just saying that if you want to connect to multiple prop firms, you have to subscribe for the advanced features subscription, because that's the one that gives you the ability to have multiple connections. That's $30 per month. Just saying, but you know, you can connect to multiple props at the same time and copy trade between them. Otherwise, it's a free platform, so you can use it if you connect to one prop firm at a time. 189 ticks. Nice. Let's go, Lovey. Oh, and if you want to subscribe to Quantower, my code also gives you a 10% discount with Quantower, just saying. So if you subscribe to the advanced features, I know it's just $3 from 30, but hey, $3 is $3. It gives you a discount. Yeah, Quantower is cool. I like it. NinjaTrader is cool as well. NinjaTrader is awesome, but I think Quantower is a little bit better, in my personal opinion. And everything is simple and built in. Also, oh, ETAS is good too. Yes, yes, yeah. Yes, ETAS is good too. I forgot to mention ETAS is good for multiple connections as well. In the US, Greg, in the US it is. In Europe, it's gonna be on the 30th of March. So in about 2 weeks and 5 days, 6 days. So yeah, and then we're shifting back to normal schedule, because now I'm starting my stream at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? Right. I think. Yeah, because obviously it's more about the London Open, right? So I mean, there's no point. I think the kill zone is also shifting in between these time shifts, because there's just no point waiting an extra hour for the London Open. So I'm starting until the end of the month. I'm starting at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is, for me, is the same, because I start at 8 a.m. in my time. New York Open is 1 hour earlier for us in Europe, yes. So New York Open for me was always at 3:30 p.m. Now it's at 2:30 p.m. for the rest of the month. So, except for the 31st, which is a Monday. Yeah, I do the same too, Lovey. I do the same. I love charting on TradingView. I think it's the best of the best for charting. And I also do some charting on Quantower as well, so why not? But I do the trading as well on Quantower. Yeah. Could be. That's why I'm curious. If it starts to drop, then maybe I'll be curious about this in the next 10 to 20 minutes, if it's gonna give us a proper shift, or we're just continuing higher. I'm not jumping into a long, that is 100% sure. The only thing I would look for is a short position here. I still like these targets down there. The 15-minute order block, 5-minute order block down there. I think sooner or later price should test it. Yes, exactly, Dan. For trading, especially if you're entering with market orders for scalping, it's lagging behind, and the execution is just slow. You know, you push the buy market button or sell market button, and especially if it's moving in New York, you're gonna get filled like 2 or 3 points. You're gonna get a much bigger slippage, and sometimes that does count, especially if you're scalping with the market orders. So I don't think the trading view is good for market. For limit orders, it's good, obviously. For limit orders, why not? For a stop order, whatever, you know. You're basically holding a position for longer. Or swing traders, I would say it's great. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, no way to change the font. Yeah, it's hard to customize it. Yeah, especially mobile. Oh, yeah, market orders is very slow, very slow. So if you want to scalp, don't do it on TradingView. Don't. Dave is short. Okay, I'm still waiting for my confirmation here. Orange just yeah. The candles are really telling you everything. That's why I like indicators too. No problem with indicators, but you know, if you really start to being familiar with the candle formations and the candlesticks, I think that gives you a very good insight. Yeah, exactly. Reversal incoming. I hope it comes. If it would close below this 51 area, it can still do it. Shift the structure downside. Mm. All right, let's see something here. No shift. What's the low of this? 51.25. Okay, it's not enough. Maybe if it would make a displacement, I would love to close this below 45.25. It's not doing it. It's not doing it, but I mean, we do. If I want to take an aggressive entry, I can still use this gap here, you know, for an aggressive short for the stream. Yeah, maybe I can go with that. What do you guys think? I put a sell limit at 61.75, but no, it's just going. All right. So I have a sell limit at 61.75. Sorry. It might not gonna get triggered if it wants to go down, but let's see. Still not in the trade. Yeah, it might not gonna get triggered, but oh no. It's not going for it. It was close. It was close. I'm only risking like $100 on this one. $100 risk. It's not picking it up. Yeah, I'm not gonna have to delete that. Dave is still holding the short. MB, hello there. Welcome. Yeah. Let's see. Easiest model. You were not able to get Bulenox? What do you mean? You didn't pass the account, or problem with the their software? Oh, I remember you were having an issue with the with purchasing, right? Okay, I'm in the trade. I remember, yeah, you were having issue with that. Okay, so or you might try to MB. You might try to use Wise or Revolut. You know, if you can register to Wise or Revolut, you can purchase them from them with a virtual card. You know. Yeah, but that's why I'm saying you can try to maybe purchase from them with the virtual card. You can register with Wise or Revolut and purchase with that. Yeah, they always respond. Bulenox support always replies, and you know, no issues. Oh no, it's not looking good. Man, I was really hoping that this one's gonna go down finally. It's just not going. Yeah, yeah. We are in a difficult area. Seems like it might still wants to push it. But at least I tried. I tried. It lined up with my entry model, actually. That's why I took the trade. We pushed higher, swept more liquidity. You know, everything was looking good for a little while, and I just did what I could. Oh no, it's pushing up. Yeah, I don't like it. Seems like we're having might be a nice bullish correction here. Maybe the New York session will bring us something. I don't know. Back to your entry. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit interesting area. That's for sure. 100%. Yeah, we have the Joel's job openings. Yeah. Let's see if it drops or not. My risk to reward has been set to 1 to 2. By the way, one of the goals that I want to do on my funded accounts is that try to go for bigger risk to reward. You know, because my win ratio is not too good. It's about 50 to 54% win ratio, 50-ish, 51 2 point, something like that. But if I can push the risk to reward ratio a little bit better, higher, then and still keep the 50% win ratio, 51%, that could be actually awesome. Because yes, I would be having losses, yes, but when I win, you know, the winners, you know, they should be much better. Yeah, I think so too, Mario. I think it wants to go for it. I was just really hoping for a retest to the downside, especially because we have those 5/15 minute order blocks down there. I think they accept PayPal. Yes, MB. Yes. Yes. Yeah, I think they do. Or as I said, you can try registering for a Wise account or Revolut account. It's fairly easy to do, and you can put a little bit of money on that account, and you can make a free virtual debit card. It's free, and you can use that. Yeah, I'm not sure, Levy. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Just keeps on going. The last Egyptian king. Oh, welcome. Why I'm not using? Sometimes I use trend lines when I scalp, for example. Sometimes I use, but nothing wrong with trend lines. I usually try to use it to scalp, maybe, and in the New York session when the volume is a little bit better. I'm pretty much stuck to this entry model that I do, but yeah, trend lines are good. Yeah. That's why for me, the gambling. Yeah, I see what you mean. Come on, everybody. We need a nice win. If we drop, it should be real nice because, like I said, we do it not through it. I see. Okay. Yeah, could be. Could be, Jay. Yeah. Could be. Well, let's see for now what they want here. I think the entry up there was quite alright. I would say so. Natasha is short too. Alright. Good morning, Karsten. Hey, how you doing? I wish you the same as well. Good to see you as always. I'm in a short, yes, so we'll see if we get it or not. It's a little bit interesting area. Hey, Nate. Yeah, the entry is okay, but it was, it's not over until it's not over. Yes, we are in a short. We are all short. I'm in a short. No, actually, I'm wearing jeans. Let's see what's it gonna do. Oh, look at that. 4 micros. Let's go. $560.50 short. 560. That's a good entry. That's a very good entry. Good job. Yeah, the chop can destroy anyone. The chop can be real. Should help now. If it's gonna drop, it's not. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's repricing the gap, which is fine. The problem is with the bigger time frame. Seems bullish to me still. So, oh my god. Yeah, so typical. So typical. On the 5-minute, by the way, there is liquidity below 525, but oh, look at this. Which of the futures preference the best? Fast at present, I would say Take Profit Trader. The other ones are good too, and I trade with them. The best is Take Profit Trader, I think, for now, since they deleted the daily loss limit for sure. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, Lovey. It's strange. The whole move is just I don't like it. Bulenox is absolutely so I have like a top 4 or 5 prop firm. My Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, Bulenox, Apex. I'm still trading with Tick Trader. I want to pick up Trade Day too, by the way. But like, we have these well-established ones. Exactly, Lovey. This is just. This is not even funny anymore. This is not even funny anymore. Yes, they are. Yes, MB. Absolutely. And no activation fee. Yeah, absolutely, Lavi. You're welcome anytime. We're here to share information with each other, you know. No problem. I mean, anyone is free to write their opinion in the chat and share some ideas, levels. Why not? Anytime. That's why we're here. Oh, man. Okay, we have the new 5/15/30-minute candle. Yeah, I don't know what's up with NQ. I don't even care about it now. So. Oh, come on. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. By the way, just saying, The Apex sale is still on for until Friday, I think. Yeah. I like to listen to Order Vision Trader too. Oh, nice. Never heard about it, I think, but if you see the M5 all through the top chop zone, it's just not a favorite zone. Yeah. You pass on yes, I did that. What is the contract size you can trade on at 50K at the start? There's no scaling. Tony, there's no scaling, so you can trade full size if you want to. I think the maximum is 15 or 16 minis, Tony. And by the way, if you want to check out some details, everybody, let me show you. If you go to my blog, it's at tomsabo.biz or pip.ninja, whatever you prefer. I have some articles about Take Profit Trader and some other stuff too, but the latest article on March 3rd, if you click on it, there's a lots of details of what you can do with Take Profit Trader. And so basically everything is here that you need to know. I mean, the main things, what you can or cannot. Basically, it's here, and you can check it out. And I think I'm gonna update my blog more times, because if I make an article about some changes or something, I'm just gonna put it there. I think it's a good idea. So the good thing is enters yeah, top of the range. Yeah. Let's go. Hello, teacher FX. We'll see. What happened, Joseph? What happened? I'm not even on Discord. Let me log in. I have to log in. Trading Star is here. What's up? What's up? Celebrity Trading Star. What's going on? What is going on? Oh. Nice. Oh, nice. Nagyon jó. Gratulálok. József was having a struggle with a Tradify account. He was down in a drawdown, left with only $700 of room to trade, and he managed to bring it back up there. Of course. You are the celebrity, man. So, József brought it back from a huge drawdown to positive. Nice job. Nice job. That's awesome, man. Tényleg gratulálok, szép munka. Oh, why not? Is there some technical issue with MyFundedFutures now? What is going on with this trade right now? I mean, the whole market. What is going on here? I don't get it. Oh, trade await. Okay. Well, they used to have some issues. I don't want to watch this trade. I mean, obviously, I think it now it has a higher chance to push it up there, but was looking good. I don't know what to say. Heard about them. Heard about Futures Desk, but haven't tried it or anything. I just heard them, the name, but that's all. But that is all. What's this doing right now? Price is technically congested down into this small area, and I feel like it just wants to push one more times up there. Oh. Oh, really? Tényleg. Lehet, hogy rossz helyre van kirakva. Jó, hogy mondod. Tényleg, ezt nem is vettem. Okay, so my link was wrong on the Tradeify link. Anyway, let me correct it. Yeah, let me correct it. Seems like there's an issue with the links. Let me correct it just a second. Oh yeah, I accidentally put the Tick Trader link in there. Now it's fine. Now it's Tradeify. All right, sorry about that. And thanks for letting me know. Yeah, Rebecca. I don't really know what's happening. Naomi, I don't know. It's I just can't seem to figure out it. I don't know. To be honest, I kind of feel more comfortable closing the trade and just leave it do its job. I don't care. Because this is just so... Let's see. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we'll see something here, but it is really tricky. I mean, last year the record was 6 hours. 6 hours we were sitting in the trade. Maybe we can do that again. 6 hours in a trade. It's gonna flush down the toilet. Let's go. I'm really curious of what's gonna happen here. Let's go, everybody. Let's make it less stressful, all right? No, I'm not gonna. Let's just wait. I don't know what's it gonna do here. Is it gonna flush down the toilet? Maybe. Thank you. Going back to Trump 1.0 level. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Oh, come on. I'm trying to be patient here. Ah, bonds buying at now European. Okay. Oh. That could be bearish for NQ, right? If I'm right. Yeah, Greg, I have, and I'm building up new funded accounts as well. And I got payout from 150K funded. I'm gonna do a recap video. It depends on your trading style and how much you would like to risk. You know, I tried the 150K. I took a payout. I closed the account, by the way, because 50% of the safety net is yours once you close the account. So I took that. But and then I started to do the 50Ks. It depends on your trading style. You know, that's what I would say. So maybe TLA trader. Could do that. Yeah, including the activation fee, which is none. Maybe not the cheapest one, but I think the third cheapest one. The cheapest one is Tradify and MyFundedFutures. But you know, what is happening here, man? Payout from day one. Now that's, you know, you can go with the cheapest ones, but first and foremost, how does the payouts work? And anybody can say anything. I love all the prop firms, the main ones, which are paying, yes. But the best payout policy is with Take Profit Trader. Heads off, hands off, anything. The best payout policy is with Take Profit Trader. That's it. Payouts from day one. You know. So They are good too. They have 1-day payout too. And the only thing with trade day, you can only have one evaluation or funded account at a time. So that's it. But they are good. Yes, very reputable. Paying out. I'm Kirk's dad. Yeah, so they're good. They're okay. All right. What the heck is going on? And we still have time, like, how much? 3 minutes until the macro? 2 minutes and 25 seconds. So, 20% consistency rule on Tradeify. The discount right now is 30%. I'm not sure what you're... But yeah, there's a 20% consistency. Yes. No consistency on Take Profit Trader though. Only on the evaluation phase. Well, I mean, you can go for the cheaper one. Is that the growth account, I think? If any one of you guys are going for Tradeify, and if you would like to support the stream, I don't have a custom code, but if you click on my link first, and then you use the monthly code, which is MAR for March, MAR, then that gives a bit of a credit to the stream, by the way. They didn't give me a custom code, but yeah. Or advanced, sorry. Man, advanced, yeah. So I think the advanced account is good. Sorry, yeah. Sorry. The cheaper one is way more than enough, I think. You can take your time on it. Man, this range is just wow. Oh, they have activation for it. Oh man, I'm sorry, Greg. Yeah, I totally forgot. They have activation for both accounts. I mixed it up on TickTickTrader. Sorry. Yeah. Then it's the growth account. Don't worry, we're gonna cut this out from the VOD. But yeah, including activation fee. Yeah, obviously the growth account. So many prop firms and account types. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah. My funded futures, and I think how much is the growth account with Tradeify now with the discount? I think my funded futures and Tradeify is the cheapest, and Take Profit Trader is the third in the line right now. But being third, uh, 150 for 25k is a little high. Well, is it 150 right now for the 25k? Maybe the sale is only goes for the 50k and higher. Then you should be able to get some. Yeah. Maybe there's no sale going on for the 25k. Sometimes it happens. You should be getting, if you click on it, and you can use my coupon code or whoever's. If you apply the coupon code, if it's not giving discount on the 25k, then let me just try it myself. Maybe there's no discount on it. Let me go and check it out. 25k. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there should be a 30% discount, and you can get it for $105. 105, the 25k, with no activation fee. Yeah. All right. So thank you so much, Eels. $105 if you use my code. Yeah, I mean, thank you so much again for anyone who's using my code. I really appreciate it. That really means a lot. So 19 let's see, 19,528.75 would be my TP. To be honest, I don't even know what to think of this move anymore. Anyway, what's it doing, man? I'm thinking to maybe close this down because I just had enough from this, and just, you know, go on with the day, or leave it here. I'm not sure what to do. Wait for 6. All right, let's wait. Wait for 6. Resistant buyers, yeah. They're trying to keep it here. The more they're trying to buy it, the market just absorbs those orders and might try to go lower, right? Maybe. He's gonna be selling. We'll see. The 15-minute wants to roll. Let's see. Let's see. All right. 3 minutes until the new hour. Check the 15-minute a little bit closer. It does look a little bit sloppy. Like it wants to get below what's that level down there? 26. Low is 26 25. Yeah, it's a little bit sloppy. I want to pick up some orders. $280 is the TP. Let's see. What is happening? All right, one more minute. Yeah, it seems like Dave. NQ is unplugged. Yeah, could be. Could be. Could be. All right, here we go. Oh, spiking there. Oh. I don't like it. Just go down. Go down below 20. Go down. Go down. Go on. Go. Go. You mother tucker. Oh my God. Whew. Jesus. Welcome to the stream, Charles Pope. Welcome. I took this trade on a funded account, by the way, on one of my Bulenox accounts. This was the one. As you can see, I managed to look at that. Overall, I made 300, but because I scalped my way back from the drawdown, these were having the losses. But $200 on a funded account, only one. But hey, it's good for me. Whew. Oh man, someone really timed it. I'm in Hungary, Europe. Charles, welcome to the channel. Hungary, Europe. Yes, we did it. I'm gonna say hello to Jay because I'm going to steal that phrase just for now. We did it, Joe. We did it. All right. We did that. Yes, I stream London and New York session. Yeah, I'm gonna be coming back for the New York market open as well. Yeah, 280. Let's go. No way I'm entering here. I suffered enough in this range.
What? Quagmire? Hey, nobody's seen you in days.
Hey, Peter. I've just been, checking out some of that internet porn.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just gonna go and check my mail over there.
You been lifting weights?
No. No, I don't think. No. I'm sorry, Peter. I gotta get back.
All right. Sorry. The trade man. Yeah. So I used I trade ICT and smart money concepts, Charles, and try to combine it with supply and demand zones. Basically, those are order blocks or vice versa. So I don't have like a straight written up rule anything on my blog or something. What I can tell is I go with the classic ICT 2022 entry. That's the core of my entries, and then as I said, I combine it with order blocks or supply demand zones. So but hey, if you stick to the channel, sometimes I can tell you about it more. But yeah. Yeah, Camille, I love that too. Yeah, same thing, exactly. Supply, demand, ICT, entry model, and combining that. Sometimes I even use trend lines if I scalp, you know. Oh, definitely. I will. Yeah, so Charles, I'm super happy that you joined us. Yeah. And stick around. I'll trade every day and I stream every day since 2022 now. All right, everybody, I gotta go. Sometimes I flip a coin. I don't know where's my lucky. I have my lucky coins are here. So sometimes I do flip a coin. Yeah, I gotta go, everybody. I have some stuff to do. Thank you so much. When you're rigging the giveaway, oh, Greg, the giveaway, we're gonna talk about it in New York session, definitely. I'm gonna rig it for you. So stick around. I'll be back for New York session. I gotta go now. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody is awesome. We had a green day now, so green. Everything is green, right? So if you would like to support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you use my code for the best available discounts with most of these platforms. Use the code TomSabo. It's up there. If you want the best discounts or resets, whatever, try it. I'm registered to most of these platforms. With Tradeify, there's a glitch. They don't gave me a custom code, but if you click on my link and use the current monthly code MAR, which is March, MAR, M-A-R, then that gets you the best discount. Thank you for the support. See you, everyone, in New York, all right, and tomorrow as well. So first and foremost, God bless you all. See you later in New York.